Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my driving robot Discovery, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which is currently booting. It's programmed in Python and uses a camera right here, a sonar, that one, and two touch sensors. Also propeller to indicate that the algorithm is running or not. A lamp that is showing if there's any course direction, direction change, and two switches that either switch on or off one of these battery packs. Last time I focused on the driving with respect to the camera and with respect to distance, because this distance is 30 centimeters. My algorithm goes way longer to 60 centimeters, but it doesn't always drive, and I found out that depending on the availability of the camera and the distance, things work or not. Anyway, I'm going to check again if I can get images, if I get it to drive, and for that I changed to screencast. Right, screencast. And one of the things that I forgot to mention in the introduction is that last time, and that was a door creaking, last time I also experimented with LEDs on the front sensors. That didn't work out. If you have seen my latest video on my hydraulic set, I've explained why. So to repeat, on both the robotic hand and the hydraulic set, I use a different controller, being the robo interface, which has not just also input for 9-volt battery, but also separate ground, and that one lacks here a common ground. So when you use the common ground, you can do that. With this you cannot. End of story. Alright, so now with the robot set to 30 centimeters, let's drive and let's see whatever can happen. So go. And I expect things to happen, but you never know. This is delaying, so there it goes, and that's the end of it. Again, I operate on closed file, so I really need to investigate that. Then there is, I hope, yeah, there are some images being sent, so I will check those as well. Alright, let's first check the images. So I will start copying this one. Copy. Command from ImageMagick. Don't forget the ampersand. Okay. And then, very important, which shows, of course, the color separation. And this shows that it's only taken from a distance, so from the 30 centimeters limit. Other pictures have not been taken, not been made. which indicates that it won't work. So all the other sections that I've made here, and let me go to, I don't know, 150. Okay, I need a lot further down the road. And that one is, oh yeah, let's go to 500. So this is 55 to 60 centimeters. It never worked from here, never. While it does make images from here. So this is never going to work out, I'm afraid. I've yet to test again, but my gut feeling says no way. That said, these cameras have manual focus. So if this is very blurry, what will happen? Well, I fear the worst for this, for the resulting image. What I also noticed is no lamp. On the other hand, let's see for the data set. Okay, that is today's data set, indeed. And that's the end of it. So why is it closed anyway? I have no clue. I'm going to do again, and then hopefully it goes either that way or that way. And that is what I wanted to see, to have the LEDs here, because then I don't have to look into the data file, but I can just have a visual on this being activated, like being, is it activated now? I think it might. Yeah. So I didn't touch it, it was activated, so basically it should have turned, which it did not. Good check. Let's start again. Alright, so now let's also view the battery voltage for both sets. I expected something quite different, by the way. Why don't I, oh wait, that's an idea. Setting this one there, on that one there, and now you suddenly have the voltages. So, being accurate once, I see that the voltages are dropping, so let's hurry and start again. So the image being taken are from this standpoint. Okay, I didn't see an LED flashing, but okay, let's just watch the image. Resulting image will be fine, I think. A little bit better, but further, did it make more images? No, that's all it did. Yeah. So no turning around, nothing. which is by the way correct, because here the sensor touched on a screw and here it don't touch at all, so it's logical that the LED didn't work out. Right, increase with 15 centimeters. Okay, that's not 15 but 10 increase at 40 and placed in the middle because it could make a difference. By the way, you noticed in the last segment that it did a diversion in direction. We'll see what happens now. Images from further away this time, of course. Clearly a lamp, because it makes it turn and that's it. So it does drive, but only one set of images. It's nicer. So let's compare these. Further away yet. Alright, I guess. Let me put them here. Quite nice. Voltages. Yeah, clearly dropping. Alright. One more like this. Okay, one mistake. 40 is not in the algorithm, only 45, between 45 and 50, and then you have 30, 35. So 40 is treated as 30, so I'm going to increase it with 5 centimeters, which makes it going to be here. And let's see the result. Two sets of images or just one set, or not driving at all. What's it going to be? It is driving. But only one set of images, I think. And that's it. Only one set of images. No colliding, no turning. That's a disappointment. I would have liked another set of images. But yep. Further distance again, but only one set of images. Too bad. And no diversion of trajectory. It didn't. If you look at this, there's even quite a distance between the robot and the object. What you could see, by the way, is that the distance is 7 centimeters instead of what it was right at the beginning. From 47 down to 7, so that is pretty accurate. What more can I do? A lot more tests. And one reading mistake, it says larger than 45, so 46 and so on makes a difference, I think. So that's what I'm going to do. And camera right here, measuring a distance of 46 then. At least 46, which would be like this. Let's see whatever result this gives. That's the starting image again. Driving. When do I get a new attempt for password? This is not what I want. And it ends in a closed file again. However, no new set of images. And that is really disappointing. Why? Why does it do that? It was a nice ride, but I want multiple sets of images. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and you can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website for more interesting fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems projects. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, take care, stay safe, bye.